Hi folks, just a YouTube update with an experiment. I'm running my fridge and freezer off my solar today, see how long it'll last before it peaks out. Hopefully it'll run all day. We're currently at it's varying in between that and 13 volts, but you can see the amps. This is my tracer charger controller, the meter, as you can see there. And I'll just show you the, so we're at 19 volts off the panels. There you go, kicking up. Battery's saying 60% state of charge, dropping. So we'll find out how long this will actually last, hey? On the flip side of things, we'll come down here to the meter. Whether you can see that very well. It's 240 volts. .43 of an amp. That's what it's apparently pulling. On this side of things, 99 watts minimum. I don't know if that's showing that up very well. That's why I'm saying it. And it's saying 465 watts maximum. And my chart on my inverter's a 1000 watt inverter, so we're only at half peak. And I don't know whether you can see that at all. I can't see it through here. But it's telling me it hasn't used any, like, this is the kilowatt side where it actually reads how many watt hours you do, so it hasn't come up any reading yet, so it's a start. Yeah, the volts have gone up to 241 volts, so I'm running it says it uses 100 watts in power my fridge, and I'm only running 2 batteries at the moment, not running 3. I need to buy some terminal connectors to. I found my poor little ones that I had. These aren't sufficient. They're rated 125 amps, and they won't let the power go through. So I'm using 400 amp hour battery cables, jumper cables, and it's letting the charge go through to each battery. So hopefully the fix will go through soon. And well, we come back up to 60% state of charge, so it's dropping in between there and there as it's probably charging off the panels. See, there you go. 13 volts. So it's cruising, really, I think. As long as those panels are in full sun, I don't think, yeah, I think it'll last all day long. Anyway, I'll keep you posted. It's about 20 past 9, half past 9 in the morning here, and only running on 2 batteries at 110 amp hours each. So we've got 220 amp hours there to use. Okay, thank you. Bye.